To build any application, you need a planning. And to plan everything, you need a place like a whiteboard. And that's why in each of my video, I use an eraser.io, a perfect whiteboard where I can plan everything at one place. And today, I'm going to show you the latest and interesting feature about the eraser.io, the agent skill. While building any agent, you can simply use the eraser directly in your favorite IDE as well. In just one line of code, you can run the command and eraser.io will be integrated in your favorite agent tool. Let me show you how. So simply click the link in the description and you will navigate to this eraser.io. Over here, you will find this command line. Okay, just copy this command line as it is and then you can open whichever IDE you use. Recently, as you know that we built these two applications with the help of Google's Antigravity. And that's why I'm using a Google Antigravity for this demo. Now inside that you can open any project which you already created. So I'm just opening my existing project, and for this project we will learn how you can create a diagram, documentation, flowchart, or even you can create a new diagram for your existing project as well. Now simply in the terminal, just paste the command which you copied and then hit enter. After that, it will ask you, do you want to proceed? Say yes. And then over here, you will see an option to add a skill inside your project. So over here, we have different options like AWS diagram, Azure, and right now we want to use eraser diagram. Make sure to select by pressing tab and then hit enter. After that, you can select your favorite agent tool. So if you are using Antigravity, make sure to select Antigravity, but there are a bunch of other like Cloud Code, OpenClaw, Clean, and then there are many others. Now in our case, I will select the Antigravity. So hit space and then hit enter. Then where do you want to install this eraser? You can install globally or you can even install for this particular project. After that, you can select the installation method. So we'll go with the recommended one. And then if you see it proceeding with the installation. So we'll say yes to that. After this, it will say, do you want to install the find skill? It helps your agent to discover the suggested skill. Say yes for that one and then done. Within a second, your eraser skill is now ready to use. Now the question is how to use it. So simply go to this your agent and then you have option called plus. Over here you will find an workflow option. Inside the workflow you will find an eraser diagram, or you can simply type slash and then you will get the suggestion. Hit enter and that skill get added inside your prompt area. Now you can add whatever you want. Now for example, let's say you already have the project and for this project you want to build a complete flowchart diagram which help us for documentation purpose or any other purpose. So we can simply write create complete workflow diagram for my existing project. And then once you did, you can hit enter. But make sure to connect your eraser account with this prompt. Okay, so it will automatically add the document and create the document inside your eraser application. So I will go back to the browser and then simply navigate to your eraser account. Inside that, in order to generate an API token, simply go to the settings and inside the setting you will find an option called API token. Just click on it, copy your API token as it is and then go back to your Antigravity, and here we can say my eraser token is, and simply paste the token and then hit enter. Now just wait for agent to create the complete flowchart diagram. So first basically it will analyze your complete project, it will understand how it actually working the flow, and then it will start designing and implementing the diagram for you.
A few moments later.
And if you see, your diagram is now ready. It also showing this diagram inside your editor, as well as you can even edit your diagram inside the eraser doc as well. Below that you will find all the source, the diagram code which you can also copy. But if I click on this open in eraser, just click on it and then it will open inside your eraser doc. Obviously this is a big application, and then if you see, it generates this big chunk of diagram. Over here we have complete application workflow, how it works and everything in detail. Quite cool, right? Obviously you did not even add any line for this one. You just enter the prompt and then eraser along with our AI agent build this complete flowchart for us. This is just one example, but there are many use cases that you can use it in order to build your application. Now for example, let's say you want to create some diagram. So here we'll say give me application deployment workflow to publish my app on iOS and Android platform. Okay, so we are just want that how and what kind of flowchart will come with. Just simply send this, but it always good if you add this skill. Okay, so agent will understand that you are planning to create an eraser diagram. Now we'll send this and we'll wait for the result. And if you see, our diagram is ready. Over here you can even open that inside your eraser editor, and here we go. If you see, the complete workflow along with these beautiful icons, the flowchart, the conditional diagrams and everything is mentioned in this particular flowchart. How easy and cool. You can not just only create the flowchart, but you can create any kind of diagrams. You can even write the documentation for your project directly inside the eraser doc. So it helps us not only creating diagram but documents your complete project as well. And at the each step you can simply ask your agent to give the flowchart, and it helps us to generate it immediately, which always easy for me to explain to the users as well. So what do you think about this eraser's new agent skill? If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and click the link in the description to give a try. Let me know what and how you are using this eraser IO for your application development in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there are a lot of new AI projects coming up in the upcoming days. So we'll see you in the next video.